Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.17 Button Cluster Functions Type 5. Type 5 macros perform functions such as the following. Auto filter turns on and off to filter data in tables. Clear to remove or replace data in cells, tables, and sheets. Example to run the instruction example. Group to combine types of data in sheets. Hide and unhide to conceal data, tables, and sheets. Print setup to prepare data, tables, and sheets for printing. Protection to turn sheet or cell protection on and off. Functions type 5 macro buttons are usually found in or around table header rows. This example 1.1.17 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.18.